Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, everybody.
I'm David, and this is Olivia. If you're new here, please subscribe.
Yes, click that subscribe button. We have a fun day today. David, where are we? It's so quiet.
We are by the lake, Olivia.
The lake?
Yes, today is fishing day.
Fishing? Really? I've never been fishing before.
Never? Well, today you will learn.
Okay. But what is fishing?
Good question. Fishing is when you try to catch fish. Fishing.
Ah, so we catch fish.
Exactly. And a person who catches fish is a fisherman.
Fisherman.
Perfect. Now, look at this.
What is that long stick?
This is a fishing rod. R-O-D, rod. We use it to catch fish.
A fishing rod. Okay.
And this is bait. B-A-I-T, bait.
Bait? What is bait?
Bait is food for the fish. We put bait on the rod. The fish sees the bait and snap! We catch it.
Oh, so we put the bait on the rod and throw it in the water.
Almost, but first, dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, and click the like button. Share with your friends who want to learn English. Okay, David. Now can we fish?
Yes, let's start.
Okay, I threw it in the water.
Good job, Olivia. Now, we wait.
Wait. For how long?
Well, we don't know. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, fishing takes time.
Okay. Did I catch anything?
Already? No, Olivia. You just threw it in.
Oh, right. How about now? Did I catch anything now?
No, Olivia. You need to be patient.
Patient?
Yes. Patient means you can wait calmly. Patient.
Be patient. Okay.
Fishing is about waiting. We wait, and we wait, and we wait.
That sounds boring.
It's not boring. It's peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yes. Listen. Hear the birds? Hear the water? It's beautiful.
Okay, I hear it, but I'm getting bored.
Listeners, this is a very common phrase. I'm bored. It means you're not having fun because nothing is happening.
Yes, I'm bored. It's so quiet. Nothing is happening.
Olivia, fishing is not just about catching fish. It's about thinking, relaxing, enjoying nature.
But I want to catch a fish.
You will. Just be patient. It takes time.
It takes time. Okay, I understand.
So, Olivia, what kind of fish do you want to catch?
What kind? I don't know. A big one.
A big one. Good choice.
The biggest fish in the lake.
We'll see.
David,
Yes?
my rod, it's moving.
What?
Look, the rod is moving. David, I think I have something.
You do. You have a fish.
A fish? Really?
Yes. Now, pull the line. Pull.
Pull the line? How?
Turn the handle. Pull it up. Slowly.
Okay, I'm pulling. Oh, it's heavy.
That means it's a big fish.
A big fish? Don't lose it.
Keep pulling. Don't lose it.
Don't lose it. That means don't let it go, right?
Exactly. Don't let the fish escape.
I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I got it. I caught a fish.
You did! Look at that!
It's a fish. A real fish. Look, David. It's big.
It's not that big, but it's a good fish.
What do you mean not that big? It's huge.
Ha! Okay. It's big.
My first fish. I caught my first fish.
Congratulations, Olivia. You're a fisherman now.
Fisher woman.
Sorry, fisher woman.
So, what do we do with the fish?
Good question. We can do two things.
What?
We can put it back in the water. We let it go free.
Put it back?
Yes. Or we can take it home for dinner.
Dinner? We can eat it?
Of course! Fresh fish is delicious.
But it's so small. I mean, so cute.
Ha! Small? I thought you said it was huge.
Okay. Let's put it back.
Good choice. Let's let it go.
Bye-bye, fish. Thank you.
Now, let's try again.
Okay, round 2. This time, I will catch an even bigger fish.
Good luck, Olivia.
I'm waiting. I'm being patient. Oh, something is pulling.
Again? Already?
Yes, I'm pulling. Oh no,
What happened?
I lost it. The fish got away.
That happens sometimes.
But I was pulling. Why did it get away?
Sometimes the fish is too strong. Or the line breaks.
The line breaks?
Yes, break means it snaps. The line is not strong enough.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Olivia. It happens. Fishing is also about learning.
Learning?
Yes, you learn from mistakes. Next time, you pull more carefully.
Okay, but I feel bad.
Don't feel bad. Look, the line is just tangled.
Tangled.
Yes, tangled. It means mixed up, like a knot.
Oh, the line is all mixed up.
Yes, but we can fix it. Watch. There, fixed.
Wow. Thank you, David.
No problem. Now, try again.
Try again? But I lost the fish.
So what? Don't give up.
Don't give up. That means don't stop trying.
Exactly. Keep trying. Never give up.
Okay, I won't give up.
That's the spirit.
You know what, David?
What?
I like fishing now.
You do?
Yes, it's fun, but it needs patience.
Exactly. Fishing teaches patience.
And it's peaceful, like you said.
I'm glad you like it.
Can we come back next week?
Of course. Anytime. Okay, everyone. Our fishing adventure is coming to an end.
Already? But I want to catch more fish.
We can come back, but now let's review.
Review?
Yes, let's remember the important words we learned today.
Okay, I'll help.
First word, fishing, catching fish.
Second word, fishing rod, the long stick we use.
Third word, bait, food for the fish.
Fourth word, patient, waiting calmly.
Fifth word, catch a fish, when you get a fish.
Sixth word, lose a fish when the fish escapes.
And finally, don't give up. Keep trying.
Perfect.
Fishing is a wonderful activity. You enjoy nature, you relax, and you learn patience.
And sometimes you catch a fish.
Exactly. Sometimes you catch a fish.
Now, listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes. Have you ever tried fishing?
What did you catch? Or what did you not catch?
Write in the comments. We want to hear your fishing stories.
And tell us, what is your favorite outdoor activity?
Is it fishing, hiking, swimming, camping?
Let us know.
Okay, dear friends, before we go,
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
if you haven't already, click that subscribe button.
And click the like button. We love your support.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Help them learn English too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We had so much fun.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
And remember, be patient.
And don't give up.
Bye-bye.
Bye.